Hey everyone, it's Lisa, and today I'm going to do another fun Walmart haul. I have some things that I have gotten. I think I've shopped in there 3 times now. None of this stuff that I'm going to show you did I order from online, but I'm sure you can, and I will put the links down below. I just enjoy going over there and just looking all and see what they've got when I go in there, and it seems like they've always got new stuff. This is in partnership with Walmart, and it's a fashion video, but all of my makeup I'm wearing today is something you can get from Walmart, including a new mascara that you guys told me to try, which is the new NYX. I can't remember the name of it, but I will put it down below along with all my makeup. The jeans I have on right now, I'm getting ready to show you, are some that I saw, and I've still got the tags on them because I don't think they look good on me, but that is because I do not have long legs. I'm tall, but I'm mostly torso. So to me, they do not look as good. It's just not as much my style, but I wanted to show them to you because you might like them. They are stretchy, and they have this, they're Lee. Let me just get up and show you. So here they are, and they are called Designed to Flatter Every Body. Pocket placement flatters backside, strategic seaming elongates legs, premium stretch denim retains shape. And they are from Lee, and they're called Shape Illusions, slim boot, slim fit, mid-rise. And the size I got, I believe it's an 8. First of all, let me show you this sweatshirt because it is one of my very favorite things that I got. I just got this the other night. It is, you guys know how I am with soft things. This reminds me so much of the Wild Fox sweatshirts. It's that same soft, it's like the inside of the softest fleeced jacket. Brooke and I have already talked about wearing this so much, and I like that it's kind of a loose bottom like this. These are the types of sweatshirts that I think look good with leggings and boots, and then like put your big faux fur, your big denim jacket, your big moto jacket over it, and it gives you those different textures. But you guys know I just love black. I've got just like one piece of color in here, but I think that's kind of like the fun of watching everyone's, videos, especially the Walmart hauls, because it's neat to stay within your same style, but at a better price, and to be able to, bring things to show you guys that are the same things I would wear from anywhere, but at a better price and real easy to get to. So here are the jeans, and hope that you can see. So one thing is, I do have on a pair of flatter boots. So maybe if I had on a pair of taller heels, they would look better, but I just know these are not, probably the jeans that I would go to. I much prefer the ones I showed you in my last Walmart haul video, the skinny Sofia Vergara. Now those I love. I love those jeans. They look really good. And then the shoes, let me sit down and I'll show you the shoes. But these are the Time and True, and that is one of those brands that I always end up going back to. I always end up liking like their t-shirts and stuff like that. But when I saw these, I thought these were very cute, and they do not look, cheap. They don't look, they don't have a bunch of, I don't know, I think when you're going for an inexpensive shoe, it's better to kind of stick with, a plain, silhouette with not a lot of stuff on it. And I have got a whole new perspective on shoes like this because Brooke doesn't wear leather. So this morning when she was getting ready for work, I was showing her something else I bought her the other night when I was there to wear to work. And I showed her these, and I asked her if she liked them because I was going to get her a pair for work because they have memory foam in them, and they're very, very comfortable. So, and they're a good size little heel. I know that they're not as tall as I typically would wear, but sometimes this is good when, like, I'll show you in a minute, when you're wearing just like leggings and a moto jacket or a long sweater and leggings. Sometimes I like a little bit of a smaller boot. It gives you just a little bit more of a casual look. So I really like these, and I think they're going to go with almost everything that I got. So I'll list these down below too. Okay, you guys, these for the win. I'm just putting all this stuff on for the first time. I thought it would be better. I knew I could do, I've got my tripod set up over there to do like the little, the shots where I'm talking and I can just show you at the same time, but I kind of like to tell you what I'm thinking right when I try it on, and these are amazing. They are by Levi's and they're called Stretch Comfy Denim. Super soft and super comfy, and you guys are gonna die when you see. Okay, so here they are, and I'm certainly gonna get my mom some of these probably today so that they don't sell out, but I love them. Look at how cute the sides are. Oh my goodness. And I love how the front of these boots dip down in the front too, right there. And I can't tell you how much I love these jeans. They're perfect. This is something I saw hanging up, and it was in a section where I think they were putting together, you know, different cardigans with black pants, kind of office looks. And so I've tried to find some black pants that I really liked, and I just couldn't, because I'm real funny about, no matter if a pair of pants are $10 or $200, they have to be kind of soft to me. They have to have a good movement and just not be wrinkly and everything. And all the ones that I saw, I just didn't feel like were for me. But I loved this sweater because I feel like it has a little bit of that retro, kind of like that Mad Men look. And I think this sweater would look so good for those of you that go to an office. I think you could wear it like this, you know, like as your full sweater. It's got a good shape to it. It, you know, skims the arms. And I think it's just, I don't know, I think it's kind of cool looking. I think it would look good with cream pants, black pants, or jeans, or even one of those that you just, because it's not so bulky, you could tie it over your shoulders. And I just thought it was cute. So I grabbed it to have something a little different to put on. And I think Brooke will enjoy this too. Everything I get, I think, you know, she could wear too. I wish we wore the same shoe size. That would be perfect. But so I thought this would be good. I always feel bad that I'm not getting more work, you know, friendly looks, but I think you guys would love this. And they also have it in lots of colors like black, and lots of colors like black, but you guys know lots of different colors. I just particularly liked this one because I felt like it was just that Art Deco retro look that I like. Okay, so for this look, I went upstairs and grabbed one of my old leather jackets, but I did see a really nice faux leather jacket in Walmart. I didn't get it because I already have so many, and Brooke is not into moto jackets, but they did have a really good looking one. I would probably throw on either a taller boot to give it, you know, just an edgier look, or, gosh, these would look so good with the black sweatshirt too. Or you could put your tennis shoes on, but they're just so comfy. Okay, so here are the last pants that I got, and I love these. They're like that workout neoprene type material. They're from that same line at Avia. They're called the Jogger Crop, and these are size medium, 8 to 10, and they're only $15.96. I just put them on with this cami that, you guys, I've dragged it out here in every Walmart video, but I swear I have like 4 of them, and I wear them like almost every day. And then you can easily put your tennis shoes on, or a sweatshirt, or you could put on a moto jacket and your boots, or like I said, any type of jacket, a big denim jacket, and any boot. I'm just gonna wear this one just because it's right here. But I love, you guys know I've had the Adidas ones that I love, the stripe. It just gives it a totally different look, and these feel so good. They feel real silky and stretchy, and they're also going to be good for exercising. I'm getting ready to start walking again down at the beach now that it's not so hot. So this, I don't even know what my favorite is so far. This is one of them. I love the tie too. I think that adds something to it. So just a couple more things I wanted to show you. I grabbed a pair of these for my mom and I. These are just silky pajama pants. And if you have not ever slept in these like little silky pajama pants, you have to try it. You just swim around your bed like a fish. I love the way you can turn over so easy. And I like to wear things like this in the wintertime when it's a little bit cooler. I'll even throw these on with my nightgown sometimes, just to have that feeling in the bed and be a little bit warmer. And I like sleeping with these also with just like a little tank. Just makes a cute little outfit. They had some tops. It was like mix and match that you could put with this, but I just like wearing a tank top or a t-shirt, and I just happen to love the colors, and I knew that my mom would too, so I grabbed these. And then this is what I got for Brooke that I was telling you guys about, and I looked and looked and looked for it in my size, and they just did not have it. They had something similar, but it wasn't, the buttons were different, and it wasn't this fabric. There is something about this particular fabric. It's ribbed, as you can see, but it's very, very silky feeling, and it just kind of has that sheen to it, and I just think this is so cool. You could wear it as a dress, but really I think Brooke will probably wear it. It's $14.96, and I got her the small, and it's no boundaries, but I think she will probably wear it unbuttoned at work. The last thing I'm going to show you that I bought last time was this little hanging jewelry organizer. And here, I'm going to take it apart so I can show you. I might hang jewelry in it, but another thing that this is good for, and I might end up using it for this, is, and someone told me about this a long time ago, my goodness, this has both sides too. So you can hang a lot of stuff in here. But it's also good, like, you know how sometimes you get a good lip combination, the perfect lipstick, lip liner, and gloss, and you want to keep them together. Sometimes I'll even put them in my drawer together. This is a good way you could easily stick those like right down in here, and then stick this like in your bathroom or in your closet, and it's a good way to kind of store those things too. So I don't know which I will do, if not both, but I just thought it was a good little thing to have. And this is something, one of you guys told me that maybe I need to try a toothpaste that's SLS free, which is what makes your toothpaste kind of foam up. And so when I was in Walmart, I checked out that little section, and I got the Schmidt's Wondermint tooth and mouth paste with vitamins and botanical extracts, SLS free, fluoride free, which I don't really agree with the whole fluoride thing. I do think you need fluoride, but I figured even if I used this every other time, it might, you know, keep me from breaking out. I really do think it's more just like perioral dermatitis. I don't think it's caused by this, because I also get them, like this weekend I had a little teeny bump right by my nose. So it's, you know, just like most of that, it just stays like around your nose and your mouth. But I wanted to try this, and I know this is a good brand. And then I also picked up this mascara that I'm wearing, but I am wearing the Salon Perfect like Demi Wispy lashes too. So I hope you guys enjoyed this. Please subscribe to my channel, and please follow me on Instagram. I'm still trying to build my Instagram back up, and I have to say, it has upset me more than I thought it would. I don't know what it is about it. I can't really pinpoint what upsets me the most. I guess because it was something I worked for, and it was taken away, and you know, so if you would please follow me again on Instagram. And I'm actually going to have a big giveaway. I have some Charlotte Tilbury lipstick, some Laura Mercier products. I'm going to do a big giveaway on my Instagram soon. So see you there, and I'll see you real soon. Bye bye.